Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the 3-day turmeric face mask challenge. Now with this I have used many different recipes for the turmeric. So one day I've used milk, one day I've used water, and one day I've used water. So I mixed the turmeric one day with water, then the next day I mixed it with milk, and then I mixed it with water again. Something like that, but like that's the recipe that I've done. So today is my third day and I decided to do my intro with this. So I'm going to put on the mask as well and then talk to you guys throughout the whole process. And I want you to see my skin from day 1 to day 3, and you'll notice that there are very slight changes on my skin. Other than that, I'm going to continue this to 5 days so you guys can have a look at what it does in 5 days. Now remember, results vary for every single person and no person's going to have the exact same results. If you are suffering from acne and any problem with your skin, treat it. Make sure you keep on treating it. Skincare is like so important. You can't keep on saying that makeup is going to cover everything, because underneath that, what's happening to you? Losing self-confidence, you don't have a proper self-esteem. So all that comes in like a package. So make sure you keep taking care of your skin, and turmeric is number 1 for taking care of your skin. And don't forget to detox the inside so that the outside can look pretty. Without any further ado guys, let's just hop into this video. So guys, this is day 1 of application. This is day 2 of application. So my beauty babes, here I have my turmeric and I have it mixed with water. I have become a little bit, don't want to use my hands on the third day, so I went in with this really tiny brush. So what I'm going to do is just apply it everywhere. I'm looking at the camera while doing this, so that's why I'm not focusing on the camera. I'm looking at the picture. Guys, if you haven't known, guys, if you didn't know that turmeric is also good for removal of hair on the skin, but I think it's more like the natural turmeric. So it's like the one that comes in that like a long strip kind of thing, and you still gotta like soak it and everything. So I don't really know how to do that. I will buy a couple, do some research and try it, and then give you guys feedback on it. But last I remember when I tried it, it was a big fail. I don't know why on my channel my turmeric videos get a lot of views as compared to the rest of my videos, so I was like, you know, why not? Let's just do this. I'm not going to go down to my neck because of my shirt, but generally I would. So guys, I have been for a wax last week, and my hair is already growing back. So I am super hairy. If you guys have any remedies for people like me that's super hairy, please tell me down in the comment section, because mama would love some remedies. Ow, this is getting into my eyes. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this on for a few minutes. So guys, I'm just gonna leave this on my face for a few minutes and then wash it up, and then I'll be back to do the outro. So guys, this is fresh out of the shower. This is what my skin looks like up close. So yeah guys, this was a 3-day turmeric challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another amazing video. I'm out guys.